Everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to prepare this nutritious flour. I'm sure you know how you can prepare it at home, and guys, some people are using this as their business and I'm sure it's giving them money. If not, they will not be doing it. So, and if you want yours to be much packed with nutrients, you can add more than I'm going to be using in this video. So, and I'll be preparing in this video, showing you how to prepare this flour. Zobo drink is a popular drink in Nigeria, so we'll be preparing it with some pineapple and some ginger. And guys, you can add in more than this. You can use for more nutrients, you can use your cabbage, you can use your cucumber. You can use cucumber, you can use orange. Orange can also be a sweetener if you don't want artificial sugar. You can also use cloves for more nutrients. You can add in anything you want that can give you that nutrient you're looking for. You can use other things. You can even use beetroot. So guys, let's get right into this video. But before that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Go right on and subscribe. It's just you clicking on that button, that red button that says subscribe, and you are subscribed to the channel. It's very easy. And when you subscribe, click on the bell icon, the notification bell icon, so that you don't get to miss any of my cooking episodes. So the first thing I'll be doing when preparing Zobo drink is to wash the Zobo leaves. So using cold water, you wash the leaves so that you take out all the dirt, but you have to do that quickly because these leaves you're seeing here, once water touches it, it will start bringing out that is red color. So I will just pour in water on top of the Zobo leaves. So I'll be washing the Zobo leaf for the second time. Guys, if you see the much sand I saw at the bottom of the water, you will see the importance of washing this very well. So after washing for the second time, I will wash now into the pot. The next thing I'll be doing is to cut the pineapple with which I'll be preparing this Zobo drink. So this is the pineapple. This pineapple have been washed. So this pineapple, apart from the nutrients it will add into the Zobo drink, is also going to serve as a sweetener, and it will also give that flavor into the Zobo drink. So this is the ginger, which I'll also be throwing into this pot. The ginger is just to, apart from the medicinal values of ginger, which you know, the ginger will also add in some flavor in the Zobo drink. So if you like, you can put the ginger the way it is, or you peel off the bark before putting the ginger. Six to 7 minutes is enough to have this Zobo drink prepared. So guys, at this point that the Zobo drink is boiling, we'll quickly just turn off the heat. So after which we'll sieve out the leaves and have the drink, the nutritious Zobo drink, packed with nutrients. So I'll go right now and turn off the heat. So I'll just turn everything into the sieve. So this are all the juice we have. So I will allow this Zobo juice to cool down. After that, I will then put in the refrigerator for it to chill and serve them cold. So thank you for watching today's video. See you in my next.